So here's how to run Microsoft Excel as administrator on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see guys, if we select the Microsoft Excel and right click on your mouse, and from the more option, as you can see, there is no run as administrator option. So how we can run this at administrator? It's quite simple guys. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and simply search for the Excel like that, and then on the right side you will see the run as administrator option. So simply select that and go with OK. Now as you can see guys, we got our Microsoft Excel run as administrator. So from here you need to press on open and simply go with the browse and simply browse to the file that you want to open. So for my case, the file is on the desktop, so I will select the desktop and then here is the file. So now simply open this one and now you have it. So that's how you can simply run Microsoft as administrator on Windows 11. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.